Oompa doompa, I'm in the frame.
So open the crushed tomatoes. And I'm going to fire up the stove to about medium high. Oh, wrong one.
Oh.
You gotta do it like, no, on top. Like that. Now do it.
Did I not do it right? I think I did it right.
You just might have to go over another time.
Oh, but just never mind. I guess I went over it like 5 times.
Then you can just dump that straight into
In the
that
sink.
pan.
Oh, it's splashing everywhere.
Gotta get it lower to the pan. We'll get some garlic powder. We'll get some onion powder. And then we have, I just like to use this Italian seasoning because I don't know what to think about it.
How much?
I'll tell you to stop. A little more.
Seriously?
Yeah. We add a little bit of sugar. Just a little bit, not a lot. It just sweetens it up a little bit. Now we're going to do some pasta making. Semolina flour. And we need regular flour, which we've got.
Is this a pizza cutter?
That's a pie crust cutter.
Oh, it's probably too small for a pizza. You can jump. Yeah, you're a brave boy. There you go. Whoa, we don't need to be near the counter. Just to say
I
hello.
was gonna say there are cheeses on there first, sir.
Jeez.
We can just throw this all in a bowl because we use a scale. Use a scale.
Scale.
Scale. Equal
Oh,
parts.
there's already scale. Got it.
Yeah, that's my other one that I have sometimes as a backup.
Oh, so now you don't even need a cup.
Mm-mm.
Just pour straight up.
Oops,
Ooh. All right, hold it open.
Nope, I'll just get
Okay.
it up. I like where you're holding it, but no. We just gotta get a spoon.
Oh, I guess a spoon would be a little easier.
69. Nice.
Nice.
But more.
Oh, oh, it's over. Okay, there we go. It went under.
Then we're gonna just do a whole egg.
Wait, oh, you don't even crack it?
Yeah.
Wait, really? Didn't know
One.
that. One?
One egg.
Why? Oh, I thought you were like counting. Like I don't know why you would count.
Singular sensation of really lift up cheek takes. We're actually gonna do water last, but I need my olive oil, which is right there.
Olive oil is like the thing you can just put a bunch in, right? It's not gonna affect much.
I mean, it's fat. And we might not need a full tablespoon of water. We also might need more water.
Wait, is this a tablespoon?
No, it's just a cup
Okay.
of water. You're gonna put that bad boy on the mixer.
Which way does it go? One way or the other?
It just has to lock.
So,
it doesn't-
oh, that's not locked. Got it. Okay.
Now that's locked.
Now it's heavy. Okay. Got
Careful,
it.
careful. Okay, push it down. Then you lock it.
Oh, and then
And then
what
just
setting?
go to stir. So just one. So
Is
there it
10 like
goes.
super fast?
Yeah, don't do that. We don't want to activate the gluten right now. Take the water,
Okay.
and you're just gonna pour it down the side here, just
Isn't
a
there
little
like
bit
we
at
need
a
a
time.
tablespoon though, right?
I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna
Okay.
do this. You look nervous. I'm gonna do it.
I don't know what a tablespoon is.
The point is we're not gonna add like exactly a tablespoon.
That was a pathetic one.
I know, because I don't want to use a lot of water. So you can't take away water, and we don't want to add more flour.
Fire takes away water. Egg is dairy, by the way, if you didn't know.
It's not.
It is. It's in the dairy section of the grocery
not.
store, and grocery stores are the ultimate law of labeling foods.
It's not. More water.
Let me show our one viewer.
Oh, careful. It's coming together. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Put my... Actually, might not even
That
need
was
much.
like an
I know,
eyedropper
that's because I
amount.
was like thinking maybe we don't need it. So now we're gonna switch attachments. So, you wanna feel it?
So is this vegetarian but not vegan?
This is vegetarian but not vegan.
Because we have taken stuff from a chicken's cloaca.
Wow. Cloaca? What's a cloaca?
Isn't that the part that... the egg? That's fun.
Isn't that fun? Okay, so now what we're gonna do with this.
I'd get my knuckle hairs in there if I did that.
Ew.
God, it's so slimy. Whoa, you almost missed.
Woo! But I didn't.
Which one is soft?
The mozzarella, the fontina.
Oh, I can tell. Yeah, it's like a little bit more rubbery.
Yeah, so this is like, what is this?
How do you determine if cheese is soft or hard?
Literally how it feels. So that's a soft cheese, and this is a hard
But
cheese.
like, I'm assuming there's a scientific way to determine it, because I'm assuming they classify them. Is there like a hardness scale, like with diamonds?
I don't know, Eric. I'm not a master cheesemaker. And then I think we're gonna use this one. Can we show ingredients like beauty bloggers?
I mean, they can. Yes.
I have my food processor bowl.
Go ahead.
Okay.
There you go.
And then I'm putting it on my scale.
You gotta show the scale. Yeah, there you go.
Okay, it's a little bit over an ounce, but that's fine.
What do you mean a little bit?
Better.
It's like 50% over an ounce.
I don't have the top. Whoops.
Topless in the kitchen. Prevent the camera from seeing your butt crack.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. First roulette of the day. I shook one of these really badly. And the other one I didn't. Pick one.
I'm going to this thing.
I didn't shake out there.
I believe him. I totally just thought. Do you want to run the food processor?
I'm terrified of this thing. Heck yes, I do.
Okay.
Face your fears. I just throw this in here and press a button, right?
Not yet.
I put my hand on top to stop it from coming out?
Not yet, not yet.
Okay.
Oh my god, you're making me nervous by the questions
not-
you are asking.
That's not what you do. I'm guessing. Oh, we use this thing. Just shove it in there, right? Just push it really hard.
I'm gonna explain the directions to you because
Okay.
you're scaring me.
That's not how you do it. I thought that's what you do. You can't put it in here because it wouldn't get to the blade.
You
But you do. Yeah, I'm right.
Okay, we're gonna turn it on.
That's
And
not
then what we are doing is we are chopping.
Okay.
And so what you're gonna do is I'm gonna just. So that's just leaving it on continually, but then we can do pulse. And then we go like this. This is what we're gonna use because you make me nervous.
Would you normally just chop it without the pulse?
Yeah, because I trust myself.
I can't get you. These are too deep for me to get my fingers through.
Okay. I'm gonna turn it off, but I'm gonna control the button. Okay?
I put this. Wait, why are there 3 different blades?
1, 2, 3. Yep, keep it down. We don't have to shred hard cheese. I love it. Okay, so we're gonna.
See, what's the point of this thing then?
That is for the breads. That's for me to just.
You
breads.
shred the bread?
No, cheese over bread.
That makes more sense. Oh, ricotta comes in a. Is it like yogurtish? Oh, it's one of those like cottage cheese.
No, it's smooth.
It's a lot of ricotta.
A lot of ricotta.
Sounds like the name of a drag race contestant.
What a great drag name! A lot of ricotta.
Cheese.
Or we can try this guy.
But that's
See
not
how we
parm.
like it. What is? It's Asiago, which is very similar. We'll probably put both in.
That's like saying that's not Eric, it's Chris. You go,
But
well,
they're
it's
in the
pretty much
same
the
family.
same. Oh gosh, I set myself up for that one.
It smells good. Can you smell? Oh. Would you like to shred some cheese, sir?
You're just shredding it onto this thing?
Yeah, just under our little cutting board, because then we're going to dump it in there.
Would you just shred it into it then?
I mean, you could, but it gets a little messy.
Okay, I'll shred it, sure.
Alright, there you go. You hold like that.
I hold
Like
like
that?
this and just...
Yeah, but hold it like down, like facing this way, so it all falls like there.
Oh, I shred it on this side.
No, other side. Can I show you?
Like
I'll
this.
No, I'll show you. I'll show you. Jesus, take the wheel.
Oh. Jesus.
Jesus.
Meow. Went a little too fast there.
Where are we gonna pump the brakes?
Oh, Jesus. Hey, Tiny Tim.
Okay, I'm just gonna sit there.
You want some cheese? Speak. Come here. Stand. Okay, come here. Jump. Jump. Up, 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 up. There's your cheese. Good boy. Up. See, she does stirring like this, where she'll like pull it off the sides and then like clop it in the middle. I'm just chaos.
Wow, very nice. Very good.
Don't treat me like a child.
I'm not.
Don't treat me like an adult.
So, we're gonna go like this. Oh, I didn't oil it first. Whoops. Whoops. So we're dimpling.
Is this not sharp? Oh, it's just...
Did you think it was really sharp?
Yeah, it looks like a pizza cutter. Look, it looks like a weapon, like a surgical tool.
Do you think pizza cutters are really sharp?
Yes.
Alright, well.
Do not.
Pizza cutter.
Your pizza, it's weak. It's pathetic. No! I am weak.
Ah! Nothing.
Ah, yes, I ravioli.
Okay, so we got some... So we're gonna do it in half.
I tried.
Here, you do one, I'll do this one.
Alright.
So we're just gonna cut.
I don't know, I'm sorry.
Alright, just. Am I doing that? No! Off of the mixer. Are you watching?
No.
So this is our pasta maker. So it just is gonna go right in here. Ready? Ready?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so that's our first pass. So now we're gonna go to a. Oh no, pick it back up. You could just use like a rolling pin, but I got this for Christmas last year, and I was like, I should use it. There you go. Okay.
Wait, you're actually gonna cut it with that thing?
Yeah.
Because it's sharp?
Now we're just gonna fold it over.
And you can make different shapes if you if you do two of them, you can put them on top of each other. Let me think about this for a second. I have an idea. Move the eyeballs up a little bit.
What?
They don't need to see this.
They need to see everything you're doing right now.
Moisturize me.
It kind of looks like the gecko, the Geico gecko, but it like wants to die.
Is this a fingernail?
No.
Oh, it's cheese. When they're done, do they float?
Yeah.
How do they know?
I don't know. It was pretty magical when I did it the other day.
That's like the worst evolutionary mechanism you could have. Like, hey, I'm ready to be eaten.
Do you think ravioli hunt in the wild?
No. Yes, no. Could you imagine if pasta? No.
Was
you
alive?
can't. Well, I mean...
But we just made it. You just saw us make it.
Well, I mean, you can also make a human child, but we're not putting that on camera.
This is our beautiful bread. It smells so good. There we go. It's out of the pan now. Give me a cutting board, my love.
Big,
the yellow
small...
one.
Oh, so skinny but long.
Yeah. What are those?
Tonks.
Tongs.
Ready? Wait, is it in?
In.
Peace out, Girl Scout.
Bye!
Okay.